Hello friends, welcome to this super exciting video of MAC and Shreya Jain collaboration for Diwali 2021. As per last year, this year also 3 kits are released in collaboration with MAC and Shreya Jain needs no introduction. She is a beauty guru, beauty influencer, a YouTuber, and I love her a lot. I follow her a lot, so I had to get this kit. So from the 3 kits, I got only 1 kit this time. Last year I got 2 kits. If you want to see the review of those 2 kits, I will link the video in the I button or in the description. Anywhere you can see that videos also. But before moving further in the video, if you're new to my channel, I hope you consider subscribing to my channel. You can also follow me on my Instagram, The Lazy Diaries. So this kit, it is called Stop, Drop and Glow, and you get 2 products here. One is a full-size MAC Technicolor liner in the shade Graph Black, and the second product you get is a mini strobe cream in the shade Pink Light, and it retails for rupees 2100, and you get all the details here on the back side. And the use by date is for 36 months from manufacturing. So 3 years is the shelf life from for this kit. So because of similar kits were released last year also, this year a comparison will be made, and this time I was little disappointed when I received this parcel. I actually got this from the MAC website, and you can get these kits on Nykaa, MAC website, MAC counters, Shoppers Stop, Myntra and Purple. For Nykaa, there is an exclusive kit available there, and the other 2 kits you can get from the other platforms. So as I said that I was a little bit disappointed because I started comparing this with the previous year launch, and previous year launch I love the packaging and I was absolutely in love with that. But this time I do not think that it's worth that much. You get 2 products here, but see, this is a cardboard bag. I do not like the packaging actually. Last year kits, I can keep them as a souvenir, like it's Shreya's kit, so I can keep them for memory also. But this time actually the packaging is not too good. This is good quality, but not that quality which was last year. Last year the cardboard packaging was too good, and this time see, it opens like this, and in this paper they have wrapped these 2 products and given. So this box is empty. See, this is not that solid box. If you remove this picture from here, you get these products like this. No packaging, nothing. Last year it was very nicely kept, means the packaging was too good. I love the last year kits, but not this year. So they have wrapped it like this, and the product, it comes here. See, these are the 2 products, and the price for this is 2100. If you buy these products individually, you will have to pay 2500. So only rupees 400 is less for these 2 kits. And if you have tried last year kits, so this is very similar to the kit called Tere Nana, that green kit. So it's very similar to that green kit, Tere Nana. Actually last time there was this same liner in Technicolor liner in Graph Black, and this was the sample size, and there was a lipstick called Soar, so that was a full size lipstick. This time they have given this and removed the lipstick and have given this strobe cream in mini version. So actually the products are good. I like the products, both the products are good, but I am not happy with the packaging. I do not like the packaging. If I am paying so much money, and that also on the name of Shreya Jain, and you are giving this type of packaging, I am not at all happy. I wanted something like last year. Means last year packaging were too good. I can keep them as memory. But this year I have to think, because this cardboard box is also not too good. Means it does not look that fancy and everything. And these 2 products, these are very favorite products. Everyone loves this product from MAC. So these products, they need no introduction. Good quality products. But I am only unhappy with the packaging. I wanted something more luxurious here, but I am very happy for Shreya, because a collaboration that for 2 consecutive years with MAC is a great thing. She's an achiever, and I love her a lot. So if she has any future collaborations with MAC or any other brand, I will definitely buy the product just for her because I like her and I love her. I follow her a lot. So I will definitely buy any of the future collaborations of Shreya. But this time MAC do something more luxurious, do something more great next year. But everything other than that is great in this packaging. You can definitely get this kit. I am not saying that it's a bad kit. You can definitely get this kit. Both the products in this kit are absolute worth your money, and with Shreya it's all great. So this was my video, guys. I hope you like this video, and if you did like, do not forget to give it a big thumbs up, and please subscribe to my channel for more such videos and updates. See you in the next video. Till then, bye.